Welcome to you. My name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. I've got big news. My baby has a name. Thanks to everybody who went over to my Instagram and provided some feedback and suggestions in the poll. What should I name this beautiful purple sparkly magnificent bag? And the winner, or the winning name I should say, was overwhelmingly Carrie. So this bag is going to be known as my Carrie bag. The bag that got me carried away. Totally fitting, totally happy with that name. Again, thank you to everybody who provided your suggestions. There were some really great suggestions. But I think there were like 9 or 10 at least that said Carrie. So Carrie it is. Now there's some other news about Carrie. I am going to be doing a closet clean out because I need to. Because I can't go on like this. Well, I could, but you know, instead of being the woman without a house and a whole bunch of shoes, I'll be the woman without a house and without a husband with a whole bunch of bags. Oh dear. Bessie's fault. Bessie sent me a text inviting me to come along and have a look at the fall winter pre-collection something or rather in a couple of weeks, and then a styling session for my peekaboo, which I'm super excited about but not sure I'll be able to make. So I went in to say hi to Bessie. She wasn't there, but Rita was there. This is your fault, Rita. I know you'll be watching this. And I picked up this a little baby. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Now, let me give you some context. This was displayed, I'll just take that sticker off. This was displayed hanging off a peekaboo, pink peekaboo, by this little attachment here. I think this is the micro or the nano baguette. I can't remember now. Actually, it's probably on the receipt. It just says it's a bag chum. Of course it is. It's tiny. So it was hanging off a peekaboo. I could show you on mine. Just a minute. Kind of. Like sitting on a peekaboo like that, I think. It doesn't look as good when I do it. Anyway, I was more interested in this little guy, not using it as a bag chum. So I was drawn to it because I'd tried the mini baguette on when I was there, but I didn't, it was too hard to kind of choose, and I love the pink, but I loved Carrie more. Oh, hold on. They could be like little friends. Anyway, what I love about this, we've got some stuffing in here. She's a little bit tricky to close without stuffing inside. It's got this beautiful long detachable chain, meaning that you can just wear her as a little accessory. Now, this is my first kind of micro bag, but honestly, check this out. I'm going to stand back. Like, how sweet is that? It's just popping out for lunch, guys. I've got my phone in my hand. I've got my cards and some lippy. I'll show you some lipstick in here. Lipstick fits. There's cards can go back here and cards in the front. And then you can just do her up and carry on. You could wear this all day in the office. I think it's beautiful. I just cannot get over the beautiful, look at the colour, like, oh my goodness, amazing. So not planned. Such a bad video, Dale. A bad video. Carrie and her baby? I don't know. I don't think I like it as a bag chum, actually. You know what she would look good on? Yes, my Neverfull Wow, that's cute. And then you just have like your little essentials there. And you can just unclip and carry on. Carry on. Look how small this is. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm going to start wearing this. Look at the embossing. Oh, what a babe. What a babe. What a babe. Okay, so that's my little surprise. Carrie had a baby and the Baguette collection is starting. I said to Rita, if a lilac comes in, because there are more lilac bags coming, I want to be told about it. So I'm going to have to start figuring out which of these is going. That's going to be tough. That's terrible, isn't it? I think I'm just talking to myself. I do not think I'm going to be publishing this. Anyway. Hello, lover. So, Carrie. Thanks for joining me. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. I'll see you next time. Bye.